I've been making this so often lately. It's simple, but the flavor is just so good that I end up cooking it 2 or 3 times a week. This is my one-pan aglio e olio. And today I'm adding a little Korean-style deep savory twist. 1 pan and just 3 basic ingredients, that's all you need. Let's get started. Slice the garlic thinly. If you don't have a whole garlic, you can use 1 tablespoon of minced garlic instead. Cut the dried chili into small pieces, or you can use pepperoncino. Adjust the spiciness to your liking. Add plenty of olive oil to your pan and cook the garlic slowly over medium-low heat to infuse the oil with the flavor. And add the chili and a little salt. The important thing here is don't let the garlic burn. Now pour in 2 cups of water and add the pasta directly into the pan. At first, the pasta might not be fully submerged, just gently stir it as it softens. And half tablespoon of tuna fish sauce. This is what brings that deep savory flavor. You can use a fish sauce or a small pinch of chicken stock powder instead. We don't boil the pasta separately because as the noodles cook, the starch blends with the oil and naturally creates the sauce. Everything comes together on its own, so the sauce coats the pasta beautifully. Adjust the final seasoning with just a little salt. You can add a little black pepper if you want. Right before finishing, turn off the heat while a bit of sauce still remains, and drizzle a little extra olive oil if you like. A little parsley makes it extra fragrant. You can plate it, but honestly, eating it straight from the pan just feels right, and fewer dishes to wash. It's super simple, but the flavor is really deep and satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you again with another delicious recipe.